Tvoji priatelia ti povedali, že si bláznia.
Why are you doing this? Why?
Prečo to robíš?
Because Nancy said we're getting married in church.
Pretože Nancy povedala, že sa ideme brať kostolom.
Not my idea.
To nebol môj nápad.
And the priest tells me to make all these promises to get married in the church.
A kňaz mi povedal, aby som teda slúbil všetky tie veci, ktoré treba slúbiť, keď sa beriete v kostole.
So I can be married in church, I have to make all these promises.
Aby som sa mohol teda ženiť v kostole, musíš všetky tie sľuby urobiť.
And I make every promise. I make every promise, 50 promises, no problem.
50 sľubov, nebol pre mňa žiaden problém.
Not tonight. Not tonight.
Nie preto, že by som bol nejaký svätý alebo príliš duchovný.
Because I'm an auto dealer, that's how we sell cars.
Ale preto, že ja som predával autá a my to takto robíme, my sľubujeme. Pre mňa to neznamenalo nič, 50 sľubov.
And we get married in church.
A tak sme sa zobrali v kostole.
And a week later, after we get married in the church,
A týždeň potom, ako sme sa zobrali,
I broke every promise.
som porušil každý sľub.
The priest was right.
Kňaz mal pravdu.
I broke every promise I made.
Porušil som každý jeden sľub, ktorý som sľúbil.
Nothing touched me. Nothing. I don't change. I don't pray. I don't go to church. I don't care about Sunday because I have a boat.
Nič sa ma netýkalo, ja nepôjdem do kostola, nezaujímala ma nedeľa, kostol, modlitba, nedeľu nepôjdem do kostola, pretože mám loď.
The priest told Nancy,
Kňaz povedal Nancy,
you were crazy to do this.
Urobila si hlúposť, keď sa takto vydal.
Because he's never going to change.
Pretože on sa nikdy nezmení.
And I didn't.
A ja som sa nezmenil.
I broke every promise.
Ja som porušil každý sľub.
And that's how I live.
To bol spôsob života, aký som viedol.
Until Nancy's brother,
A ešte by som vám povedal,